Keble Pibaro Shagatup Khubor Jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesengi kilong. Ye kren umintri rangba ukon rat ke sangma bat uksiang kren yesuk bat ke HNLC. Bersya kinong syong kamai kuli ke sorkar Meghalaya berpenhap ye kepung ridok ka sya Assam. Lapelong ye kejing ai jing hikai le akai ches ye ki kena ha William Nagar. Bat Chenaying ka Federation of Khasi Jylla and Garo People Merdon Circle ye ke ying ikong Blistoria lalu. Bat mentangin pasya ke khubor bakam benya. Hakashi tarik mentau benaya yong arjar arpuar ke sorkar jilla hapo kejingelam umintri rangba ke jilla ukon rat ke sangma hakejinge don lang ki he pulit ke jilla ke chief secretary ke kong Rebecca Suchiang uba PS dekhar ubalong uksiang jong ke sorkar jilla uba lakmen rumbui umintri ke tanat kampok ying baru sembut menteri ke jilla uba Preston Tinsong kilai penkre banyemir jingmut halor ke jing terwa jong ke seng HNLC banyekren yesuk bat ke sorkar. Habakren syikilat pathai Khubor hadin keni kejingelang umintri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulai thu bakeni kejingi kenduk lang kalong bani merjimut bat penkre ya kejingi kren yesuk jong ke HNLC bat ke sorkar bat ulai thu ru bamenta 4 la bani thu ya kejingi kren jong ki.
Been very clear from day one that every meeting does not have a conclusion or does not have any news. It's just a process. But the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward, and that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share, but as you can see, we are continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion. So, from my side, now all the processes and discussions are to the interlocutor now.
So, what was the meeting
process? Discussion. As I said, it is with Chief Secretary right now. As soon as I got it in Delhi, I have sent it to Chief Secretary. We will be sharing, they'll be going through it, and the presentation will be given to us. And once that is done, to us means the cabinet. And once that is done, then we'll take a decision on how.
Kipat ba nong shong shnong jongga mai khuli kabahap hajirang constituency Riboy district mentakasngi kilami pat ba biang sashisin ban persya jur ye kejing shimra jongga sorkar Meghalaya ban penhap no ye kepung ridok kha jongga shnong mai khuli sya Jilla Assam. Nalor kipat ba nong shong shnong ka mai khuli lawan ban ai jing kershan lang daki kenhun sing bhalang bepher kenthup ya ka Meghalaya People Social Organization hinyo trep achik National Movement Garo Students Union All Riboy Garo Mahila Association All Guwahati Achik Student Association.
It's not Maumari bill. So this fishery pond will not go at all to Assam. We should fight. And we should stand up from now. We should not sleep. And we will fight for our own land. And we will not give it away to anyone to Assam. And one thing I want to tell you. They have kept a settlement that give and take policy. Isn't it? Yes or no? Give and take policy bol diya. Lekin. Kaha Assam log humko de diya. Thora jagah bhi nahi diya. Is it? Yes or no? हाँ नहीं दिया थोड़ा भी लेकिन उन लोग को असम गवर्नमेंट जिनकी ये हम लोग का जगह सब ले लिया कहाँ गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी यहाँ में नहीं है so we should understand we should stand united. I request you to stand united, to stand together and fight for our own right.
Deputy Commissioner jongka East Garo Hills District mentakasi ulapen pau ye kejing sngau burom jongu ye kinong penya ki ba ai jing ka ye le ka ches balai sngi kinthi ye kena ki ba hapo khat arsnem karta ha William Nagar. Habukren kani kesngi Deputy Commissioner ulong ba kani kejing ai jing hikai kalong ban penmi ya ki klor nong ye le kai Grand Master hadin habot na kani ka Jilla. Federation of Khasi Jylla and Garo People Merdon Circle Kalashna Ying Yekwe Kalongkmi Hakashnong Merdon Nongba Riboy District Ia kini ke ying la IT bat play pat ba menta kasi kashi tarik uyayong arjar arpoar do ba dan di Cliff Kongsit General Secretary ke FKJGP Sengkmi harungkat ke jingadon lang uba Luista Lingdo President ke FKJGP Riboy usamla Shan lang dingdo General Secretary lembat kwe. Kini ke ying la shnada ke FKJGP Merdon Circle kedai ke ying jong ikong Blistoria lalu nakashnong Merdon nongba.
Kaban kendiu ya ki pawdo pasnang wajongi khamtam ya ki longi yang kebedan kam shisha ta jingaram namar ba ngijui nakapor sakapor ba kum gajat ben rio ngindale amala kisnong kindan be kumil ki longi yang kebedan kam shisha ta jingaram mereka ika pokongsan kalau kami siem ba ngai tanat bakat kami siem kabesen rang jagi dikhat jokan ke circle ya kaba flami syakmat bat dei lingba ke jing tristong ke jongpi ya kaba ngiru kumunong elam joga seng habang ayu ya kene ke jing khot soba ke jongpi na so ba ke kamram ke jonga banya don kat lang bat phieng ne kapor bat ai men sim lang e phi ni na kaleng ka central body jim dala e ban ai kata ke jing don kam ke jongpi de ke jing tristong ke jongpi ya kaba kindit khinsat e ni na kaleng ka seng kemi ngilang banya snok ti lang banya don kat lang bat phi
Bat dah kitu ki khubor ngilapoi syakapukut tak haduk Bangladesh biang kebelah sipot.